Hello, hi. Good morning, my students. I hope you all are doing good. So, today is the second class of this trigonometric identities. Today, we will solve the first 10 problems from your lesson 21 of Selina CONCISE. So, the problems are something like this. So, let's check it out. So, first question is sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 equals to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So, we have a proof taking LHS equals to RHS, okay, or taking RHS you will prove LHS, but I will suggest always take LHS. Why LHS? Sometime I will take also RHS. So how you will find out, how you will think, you will take whether LHS or RHS. First thing is that see your sine, cos and tan. First these are primary, just to solve take this as primary and cot, sec and cosec take as secondary, because conversion these to this is easy, but these to this is little difficult. So not much difficult, so little difficult. So that for that reason we will just take this LHS, because LHS is our secondary partner sec, so conversion to cos is very easy. That does not mean that you will not can solve by taking RHS, easily you can solve. So I am taking as LHS. So let's start. What is our LHS? Our LHS is sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1. Okay, so now sec a equals to 1 by cos a. As I told yesterday, that previous class, you can check the previous class to get all these conversions, all these relations. Okay, 1 minus cos 1 by cos a minus 1, 1 by cos a plus 1. Okay, now this is your fraction and subtraction and addition. So do it. What it will come? It will come as 1 minus cos a by cos a by 1 plus cos a by cos a. So you can check both the cos a are at the denominator. So if this fraction you will do, then it will come reciprocal. So better that now you are on 10th class. So this cancellation is very simple, denominator to denominator. So what remain? Remain is 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, and this is your LHS and this is proved. Okay, so by taking LHS we proved the RHS. So by taking LHS we proved the RHS. Now in this question let's see by taking RHS whether we can prove the LHS or not, so that you can confirm whether side you can take and you can prove the other side. Okay, so let's start. Erase this part. Erase the eraser, then erase this part. And we will take the RHS. What is that? 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. The method is absolutely same. In this, basically this question, the method is absolutely same. So let's check. Okay, come back. Now the RHS I am taking. RHS is what? 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So now same 1 minus 1 by sec a by 1 plus 1 by sec a. Now do the, why I am writing 1 by 1? We are all the practice, so you can do it. Some have the confusion that fraction subtraction till today. So to avoid this confusion, just any number, you all know any number that have 1 in the denominator. Okay, any whole number. Okay, so that now do the fraction subtraction and addition. You will get what? Sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 by sec a. How you got? Taking the sec a as the denominator. Okay, and LCM. Here sec A is the LCM, here also sec A is the LCM. So denominator cancel. Now what remain? Sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1, which is LHS, and this is proved. So I think now you confirm that taking any side you can prove the other side. This is your first question. Come to the second question. This is your second question. The method is absolutely same. I think you can do it. Okay. So 1 LHS I am taking. LHS is what? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, 1 plus 1 by cosec A by 1 minus 1 by cosec A. Why? As you know that sin A equals to 1 by cosec A. Got it? Now do the fraction addition. Cosec A plus 1 by cosec A, cosec A minus 1 by cosec A. Now cancel both the denominator. So what is remain? Remain cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. So this is what? This is your RHS, and this is proved. Got it? This is the second question. Now come to the third problem. Third problem, what is given? 1 by tan A cot A equals to cos A into sin A. So take again the LHS. Okay, what is the LHS? 1 by tan A plus cot A. Students, you can see here cos A sin A is there to prove. So tan A cot A having no work. So we will convert them into sin and cos and check whether RHS is coming or not. 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Okay, so now solve this. 1 by, you can do butterfly method for addition. Okay, so making the butterfly method, if you want you can tell me, so I can explain you what is this butterfly method. Okay, so this will come sin square A plus cos square A by cos A sin A. Okay, now do the reciprocal. Cos A sin A by sin square A plus cos square A. Now you all know sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So what the final answer? Cos A into sin A, which is equals to your RHS, and this is proved. Got it? So this is your next problem. Now go to the next problem. This question is something like this. Okay, tan A minus cot A equals to 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A into cos A. Okay, so again take LHS here. What is the LHS? LHS is tan A minus cot A. So convert them. Sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. So now again the butterfly method you do. This butterfly method, what will come? Sin square A minus cos square A by cos A sin A. Now student, is for our formula, see here sin square A is there. See here sin square A is there, which is our not requirement, because we want only in cos square form. Okay, so we will change this sin square. Okay, how? As you know, sin square we will convert into cos square. How? 1 minus cos square A. Minus cos square A is already there. Okay, so now cos A into sin A. Now see, both here this cos square A and this cos square A, both are there with the same sign, that is minus sign. So what you will do? Same sign you will add. So now add them. What will be your final answer? 1 minus 2 cos square A by cos A into sin A. This is nothing but your RHS, and this is proved. Just simply practice requires, students. Don't think trigonometry is too hard and you are thinking what you will take. You take both, any side, maybe RHS, maybe LHS, but just to see which is there easy for you to take. See here, if you want to ask just a simple tan A cot A to cos A sin A is easy. Cos A sin A to tan A is not at all easy. So that I took here what? Tan A and cos A. I took here the tan A and cos A. Okay, so otherwise I can take cos square A and I can prove that tan A and cot A. But tan A cot A to cos A sin A is easy. So that I prefer just taking this one. You also think which one you will take. You can take either LHS or RHS. Okay, and prove the other according to your convenient. Now go for the next problem. The next problem is something like this. Sin 4 power A cos 4 power A equals to 2 sin square A minus 1. Student, here you all know a formula, A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B. So we will use this formula. So take the LHS. What is that? Sin 4A minus cos 4A. So this is not this formula at all. So we will convert them in this formula. Sin square A whole square minus cos square A whole square. So A square minus B square now became. Now make them A plus B, that is sin square A plus cos square A sin square A minus cos square A. Okay, so now the sin square A plus cos square A became 1. So what became? This one only remain, sin square A minus cos square A. Now check, students, we don't want this cos square A at all. So we will convert them in the form of sin square A, because our RHS is only sin square A. So now convert it. Sin square A minus bracket 1 minus sin square A. Okay, now open the bracket. Sin square A minus 1 plus sin square A. The final answer is, this is also plus, this is also plus. Add them, 2 sin square A minus 1, which is nothing but your RHS, and this is proved. Okay, so see how easily you proved all this. So whatever may be the formula you are reading in algebra, that is very useful for your trigonometry to solve. Okay, further when the increasing the formula, increasing the problem numbers, you will see how the implementation is coming one by one. Okay, so let's see the next number. See here, another formula came. See here, A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square. See, here you can solve by taking tan aj 1 by sin by cos, cos by sin, all this. But if you take algebra formula, then it is more easy. What is that? A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square, which is equals to 2 into A square plus B square. Using this formula, we will solve. What is that? 2 into 1 square plus 10 square a. This is the LHS part. Next LHS you are taking. This is the second step. So now you see 2 into 1 plus 10 square a. Why? Because 1 square is 1. Now see what is this? This is nothing but 2 sec square a. And this is your RHS. Okay, and proved. See, only in 2 steps you solve the problem by using the algebraic formula. So everything what you read from your 8th, 9th classes, these all are very useful to solve the problems easily. Okay, now let's go for the next formula. Next question. What is the question here? Here cosec 4th a, cosec to the power 4a minus cosec square a equals to cot to the power a plus cot square a. So we will take this LHS. What is this? This is cosec 4th a minus cosec square a. Which is the common here, students? What is common over here? If I am not wrong, cosec square a is common, and what remain? Cosec square a minus 1, which is again equals to cot square a. Correct? So now cosec square a into cot square a. But we don't want this cosec square a. So what we will do? We will convert them in the next formula, that 1 plus cot square a into cot square a. Now open the bracket. The bracket opening, you will get cot square a plus cot to the power 4 a, which is your RHS, and it is proved. Okay, so this is also you read the identities, the algebraic identities from your class 8th. So taking the common that your formula will come to play the role. Okay, so now go for the next problem. The next problem is something like this: sec a into 1 minus sin a sec a plus tan a. So here the question is looking little big, so many may be getting fear. My God, this much of big question, but the answer is very easy. So take the LHS. Sec a into 1 minus sin a sec a plus tan a. This is only. So now open the bracket. Sec a, okay, into 1, how much? Sec a minus, sec a means what? Sec a into sin a. Okay, now sec a plus tan a. So students, see carefully. Sec a means your 1 by cos a. So now write sec a minus sin a by cos a. Okay, so sec a plus tan a. Got it? So now see here, sec a minus tan a, sec a plus tan a. Again here a plus b, a minus b, you can check. This is a minus b, this is a plus b. Got it? So a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So sec square a minus tan square a, which is equals to again 1. So this is your nothing but the RHS, and proved. See, no doubt, without just with converting sine cos also you can solve, but this is these 3 steps is auxiliary. If you are very prompt in mathematics, in one line only you can convert from this line to this line, then this line directly. Okay, so you can convert this one, see here, direct. Okay, so like this you practice, you can do it easily. Okay, now come the next problem. This is something like this, exact like the before problem, exact like the before problem. So what is there? LHS is this one. So open the LHS. What? Cosec A plus cosec A into cos A, cosec A minus cot A. Okay students, now this one I am just solving for the math from students, which 2 steps you can solve it. Cosec A into cos A is a cot A. Okay, so now the next is cosec A plus cot A, okay, and cosec A minus cot A. So now cosec square A minus cot square A, which is equals to 1, which is your RHS, and proved. Got it? So this is only your question. You will get only 2 mark question. This is all. You will not get much mark because it contains very less number of steps. Okay, so now this is the last problem of today's class. Sec square A plus cosec square A equals to sec square A into cosec square A. Okay. So now solve the problem. I think here I will not take this LHS. I think I will take this RHS, and I will check whether it is coming or not. Okay, so let's check it out. RHS. What is my RHS? Sec square A into cosec square A. Okay, so now sec square A into 1 plus cot square A. Okay, so this is open the bracket, sec square A plus sec square A into cot square A. Okay, so now I think we will convert them into sine and cos, and what is coming, well, let's see. Sec square A plus 1 by cos square A into cos square A by sine square A. Cos square A cancel. So what came? Sec square A plus cosec square A, which is your LHS, and this is proved. See, by taking this one also you can solve, don't think much. Okay, so here what is there, students? Just from here I did one step extra. Just if you can remember, just this one also you can remember as a formula, that sec square A into cot square A equals to cosec square A. Okay, in one step also you can do, otherwise by doing like this also you can solve. Okay, so like this means you will not get any type of problem, and you can solve, get the accurate answer. So these are the 10 problems. Next 10 problem you will get my next video. Till that, practice this 10 problems, and if any doubt anywhere you will get, just comment me on the comment section, and anything more you want, then also you can comment me. Thank you all.